Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can check the bidding group due list in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So here in the group management, I will go to the set member account, and here I have created accounts under Chit Fund. So these three accounts are due. Now I will go to the status report due list, and I will select the deposit filter and just I will click to refresh. So here I want to filter according to the bid group. So I just click to the cheat fund and apply. So here you can see account number 6, 7, 8. These accounts are due and we can check this due. And here there is a graph also. So you can use the date filter and you can see this graph, but let me check. Just click to refresh, click here. So I will select the date and just click to refresh. Let's refresh this and go to the status report due list and click to the deposit. Just refresh, click here. See, you can see this graph also, and you can use the bidding cheat fund and just click to apply. So this type you can check the graph and due list reports. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great